from the pace, you're climbing up. And all the words change, and noises from the lakes, you shivered up. I see you from the mud, and at your first bride, you had enough. You know there is a line, but though we smiled several times, and I had enough, took too much, left you by the water still. Had enough, took too much, left you by the water still. And they lay aside the dark branches they were breaking up. And then I knew again through the daylight field to the north and back. Sleep a little more, there is time, you know. You were tired though, and so I was afraid too much feels more of you. And I had enough, took too much, left you by the water still. Had enough, took too much, left you by the water still.
Enter the wild with care, my love, and speak the things you see. Let new names take and root and thrive and grow. And even as you travel far from heather, crag and river, may you, like the little fisher, set the stream alight with glitter. May you enter now as otter, without falter, into water. Look to the sky with care, my love, and speak the things you see. Let new names take and root and thrive and grow. And even as you journey on, past dying stars exploding like the gilded one in flight, leave your little gifts of light. And in the dead of night, my darling, find the gleaming eye of starling, like the little aviator. Sing your heart to all dark matter. Sing the things you see. Let new names take and root and thrive and grow. And even as you stumble through Macher sands eroding, the silky swim you deeper, oh my little silver seeker. Even as the hour grows bleaker, be the singer and the speaker, and in city and in forest, let the larks become your chorus. And when every hope is gone, let the raven call you.